Now you know, that's what they said of Beyonce. She did a public appearance. She had her baby 4 months ago. Yeah. And they said she looks like she never had a child.
They showed a thing. I saw a picture of Heidi Klum yesterday. 2 months after childbirth, she was modeling in the Victoria's Secret. I'm like, that ain't right. Not at our age. You know, way back then.
They were saying on the radio this morning it had to do with first baby and breastfeeding. Drops the weight the fastest.
Well,
oh, really?
Yeah.
What about the third baby?
Jeff wants to know.
No pump.
His wife is about to have number 3.
No pump.
Love. That's what it's all about. Love. You're supposed to love them.
Yeah, but Jeff first. Ooh.
Yeah, I weighed 97 pounds when I moved here, and thanks to this year, I'm up to 158. That work is paying off, ain't it? You did good.
He's gonna be a ranch dog one of these days, yeah.